why you shouldn't buy cheap no-name power supplies in 60 seconds. The underside of the board looks horrible, bad solder jobs, incorrectly tinned copper, and it's a dirty PCB. The components are all over the place, askew, incorrectly soldered, transformer core is loose, heat sinks are dirty. This is the output side and it's almost shorting together because the wires weren't soldered correctly. The isolation between the high voltage and low voltage side looks alright, but look at this. This is the input filter coil and it's a millimeter from this heatsink. And on the other side, this heatsink is extremely close to the output low voltage side. So this distance and this distance separates you from the high voltage side, which is absolutely unacceptable. This claims to be a 12 volt 5 amps power supply. Let's put it to the test. Well, look at that. That's a pretty good result. But still, this is a very dangerous power supply and you shouldn't use it. And you shouldn't trust it.